Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw, umayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. I joined the Philippine National Police Academy and the family and friends of the PNPA Sinaglawin class of 2025. Congratulations as you begin a life dedicated to serving the Filipinos and the country. Thank you for joining our brave men and women who, for choosing PNPA, have committed to enforcing laws and ensuring peace and order in our communities. You have chosen a path that is rough, demanding, and may even be extremely perilous. But this is the right path for you to meaningfully serve the country and demonstrate a sense of patriotism that is profoundly rooted on what is right for the Filipinos and the Philippines. Sa inyong kagitingan at kahandaan na tunay na magsilbi, sana ay lagi ninyong piliin ang tama. Huwag sana ninyong hayaan na mabahiran ang inyong propesyon ng mali. Katulad ng pagkakanulo sa isang Pilipino ng kanyang kapwa Pilipino. Walang kapatawaran ang pagsuko at pagpapakulong sa mga dayuhan ng isang Pilipinong naglingkod ng tapat sa ating bayan. As you fly, fight and win, you will be the patriots who will stand for the truth, die for what is right, and protect the nation from the corrupt, the power-hungry, and the ones who destroy our intrinsic Filipino values of prinsipyo at integridad. Just like those who completed this course before you, you are presented with a choice to become citizens who will uphold the interests of the Filipinos above all else. May you always be reminded of your courage and the incredible strength, will, and determination that made you the men and women that you are today. May you also be reminded that there will be no honor for those who will betray the interests of Filipinos and the country. Ang lahat ng ating ginagawa ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran.